Hello, what's going on, guys? Finally, I am back up and running. Got myself a new place. Everything is set up. Um, I'm not going to show you around because it's not really it's not really pretty. But as you can see, I am pretty booked when it comes to work, um, and I have more that are in the other room. But I just wanted to say hello to you guys and just remind you that I appreciate all of you. And I have seen that even though I have not updated or uploaded any new videos to the channel, I see that there's a lot of you that have subscribed. And that means a lot to me. That means that you value my channel, you value my information, even though you have to put up with my stuttering and going in circles and trying to explain things, and I make it longer than it should be, like right now. But I do appreciate every single one of you. Remember that if you live in the Scandinavia area, Norway, of course, that's my country. Um, Sweden or Finland or Denmark, or you can shoot me a message if you need your graphics card repair. I do everything from core reballing to anything that has to do with BGA. I do that. It doesn't matter the type of card. It could be a you know 10 or 1000 series Nvidia card to an RX 480, all the way up to the newest stuff, a 7900 XTX or 5090, which I don't know why you would be sending me a 5090 here if it's still under warranty. So I would prefer that you go through the warranty process. Unless they have denied you warranty and you want someone else to look at it, then of course I will be more than happy to. My prices are very reasonable. Just hit me up here in my YouTube channel and then I can send you my personal information where you can contact me and book your appointment. So yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to quickly give you an update. Much love to all of you. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.